Hello, welcome back to Kirk Kooks. It's Friday Night Fakeaway time again. A little bit of an odd one this week because it involves me doing very little actual cooking. You might have seen this online recently, it went a bit viral. I think it started off in a restaurant in Wales and now I think there's quite a lot of takeaways and stuff doing it. It's the 90's Munchie Box, which is basically all the crap you used to eat as a kid chucked inside a 12-inch pizza box. So I thought we'd give it a go. So I got a 12-inch pizza box. I've got a bag of curly fries. Got a bag of mini waffles. Got a bag of chicken dippers. Some potato smileys. Turkey drummers. Turkey dinosaurs. And of course, Jamie Oliver's favourite, the turkey Twizzler. So I think online to buy one of these boxes, when I was looking, I think it said they was charging like around £15. I think everything here came to about £11, so already cheaper. And you can't actually get these in a lot of places, so you can quite easily make your own. Only difference is when you look at the ones online, they have a little pizza in them or a slice of pizza or something. We do pizza on this channel all the time, and I really can't bother to make a mini pizza to put in this box. Because I've got a different idea in regards to a pizza that involves this box, which we're going to do on another episode. You'll also see on some of the pictures of these munchie boxes that they usually have like a little pot of beans and a little pot of spaghetti hoops or something. I'm going to skip over that as well because I don't really want to do them. We're going to do the main component to this 90's munchie box, and like I say, it is all the crap you used to eat when you was a kid, like growing up around the 90's. At least you did if you live in England. I don't have to do a lot of this rubbish in America and places like that. But I thought it was quite an interesting concept, so I thought I'd give it a go. So as you can see, all I've got here then is a hell of a lot of frozen food, which I just need to put onto trays, stick it in the oven. And that's the cooking concept of it today. This is more about just the fun of making the 90's munchie box really, and just seeing what it looks like, I suppose. So I'm going to get all this trayed up really quickly. So basically everything we've got here says gas mark 7, about 15 to 20 minutes. So I'm just going to whack it all in together. Got 3 oven trays going on, so we'll just get it all cooked together. Get some of these potato smileys. Some mini waffles. But you can already see, look, there's loads left in this bag. There's quite a bit left in this bag. And like I say, this cost £11. And to buy these ready-made in the takeaways that are doing them about 15 quid. So you could probably make about 3 of these boxes with the amount of stuff here for like a fraction of the price. I don't know why I'd want to, because like I say, a lot of this is crap. I mean, I imagine like, this is probably Jamie Oliver's worst nightmare, isn't it? I can't imagine he's a very big fan of the 90's Munchie Box. So that's our potato-based tray done. You've got your waffles, your faces, and your curly fries. Let's get these dreaded turkey Twizzlers back. Now, if you look on it, it says new and improved in the back, so I believe these did actually get banned because of all the like controversy that Jamie Oliver caused. I mean, to be honest, I didn't really ever eat these much as a kid. I might have had them once or twice, but not really something I ever ate. I definitely didn't serve them in my school. We'll stick all 8 of them on. Like I say, I do want some extras because I've got a little plan for this for a future episode, which I'll probably shoot straight after this one, to be honest. Turkey drummers, now these I did used to eat as a kid, and I have to say, every now and again, I might grab a pack of these when I'm shopping, and I still like the taste of turkey drummers. Turkey dinosaurs. How many different ones do you get in these? So you get a little stegosaurus, little triceratops, and a little T-Rex. Yeah, which is exactly what it shows you on the front of the packet actually. Then the last ingredient for this one, it's not really an ingredient, is it? The last thing we're going to bake is some chicken dippers. Grab a bunch of them, chuck them on there. And that's it. And like I say, there's enough stuff left over here to make another one of these. I mean, I think the whole point of this box was like, I think it said like you could feed a family of 4 on it for like 15 quid. If you was doing it this way, doing it yourself, you could probably feed your family of 4 for about 6 quid, because you're not going to use it all. mean, there's probably enough here for a family of 4, and there's enough there for another lot of this as well. So 11 quid to make your own, and you'll have a load left over that you can feed to someone. So stick all this in the oven. I've already preheated the oven to gas 7 before we started, so that's ready. So it's got 20 minutes to wait. So Alexa, timer, 20 minutes.
20 minutes, starting now.
So we'll wait 20 minutes and we can get it all served up inside this box. Get it looking a bit like the one that I showed you earlier. I guess I'll get all this put back in the freezer. I'll maybe feed it to kids again at some point. Alexa, stop. So that's our timer up. Everything should be cooked. I mean, I admit calling this episode Kirk Kooks is a bit of a stretch. It's like Kirk just shoves some frozen crap in the oven. If you're one of these people who love baked food, I mean, look at this. This is a dream come true for you, isn't it? I mean, look at that. So let's get our box. Okay, so there's our pizza box. This is all of our stuff to put in this 90's Munchie Box. So minus the little pizza, minus the beans and spaghetti, because I didn't want to do them. And as I say, with the pizza, you might already be working out what I'm thinking, but for the next episode of Kirk Kooks, which will be on Monday, if you're watching this linearly, we're going to make a 90's Munchie Box pizza. We're going to take all this and put it on a pizza somehow, so we'll call it the 90's pizza, I guess. But that is the plan for the next episode. Right now, we are still building the 90's Munchie Box. So let's get all this into this tray. So let's start off with the ultimate part of this Munchie Box, the turkey Twizzlers. Greasy, horrible, curly bits of processed meat. I mean, someone might like them, I don't. This box can have 4 of those. Now, how about some curly fries? Plenty of curly fries going in here. Nice big bundle of those. Some turkey drummers. I mean, for me, there should always be at least 4 of everything in this box. If it's supposed to feed a family of 4, and if I was buying this box, I'd expect everyone to be able to have at least 1 of everything. Potato Smileys. Let's stack them on top of each other like that, look. 2 rows there. Next to that, let's put some mini waffles. Chicken dippers. And some turkey dinosaurs. Got a T-Rex, Triceratops, a Stegosaurus, and we'll have another T-Rex. And do you know what? We'll even chuck a couple of extra turkey Twizzlers in there. There you go. And so there we have 1 box that just closed on me. Okay, so then there we have 1 90's Munchie Box. Potato Smileys, potato waffles, chicken dippers, turkey dinosaurs, turkey drummers, curly fries, and the old good turkey Twizzlers. 1 big 90's Munchie Box full of crap. So there we go, the 90's box. Loki likes the smell of it. Now, I ain't eating all this. I did think maybe do a challenge and try and demolish it all. It's not happening. I don't put stuff like this in my body very often, and I don't want to start putting a full box of it in today. So, give everything a little try. Now I'm just going to whack this back out of the way. Kids will be home from school soon. I'm going to let them have a 90's tea, like we used to have when we was little. See what they think of it. But for now, let me give all this a little taste. Curly fries are always good. They're just French fries but curly, bit of spice on them. Can't really go wrong, can you? Potato Smileys, just mashed potato fried. Again, don't want those things that you remember eating as a kid. I mean, they're still pretty good now, to be fair. mini waffles. Very, very similar to your smiley faces, really. Chicken dipper. Do you like chicken dipper, Lokes? Yeah, it's alright. Cheap processed chicken in batter. Now these things, turkey drummers, I remember I used to love these as a kid, and I used to eat them quite a bit as an adult, and not had one in a good few years. That's disappointing. It don't taste as good as I remember. No, man. It's not terrible, but I don't know, I remember it being a bit more firm when I was younger. I mean, the flavour and everything is just not what I remember it being. Maybe I'm just not remembering it right, but I'm sure it used to be nicer than that. Try one of these little dinosaurs. Bite T-Rex's head off. The flavour and texture of that is closer to what I remember drummers tasting like, so maybe they've changed the drummer's recipe or something. So all that's left is the turkey Twizzler. I mean, I wonder who invented these and thought, oh yeah, let's this. They're really not good, are they? I mean, I didn't used to eat them much as a kid, but I mean, if this is the new and improved recipe, maybe they don't taste like they used to, they're not as good. But, that's enough of that. Come here, Bench. So yeah, that's the 90's Munchie Box. I mean, fun for a bit of nostalgia, I suppose, if you want. I mean, I won't go to a takeaway and order this. I can see why some people do. I mean, I know some adults who still like this sort of food. It's just not for me. Well, guess we will see what the kids think of it when they get home from school and whether it's for them. I mean, I know one of them, he loves beige food, so this will be heaven for him. I have got a little bit of a plan for some of this. We'll get to that on Monday. So for now, I guess that one wasn't much of a cooking episode, but it was a bit of fun. I'll catch you next time. It is once again Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Pizza Wednesday.
Jelly bean and sausage pizzas.
Strawberry surprise pizza with anchovy sauce.
Peanut butter and clams. Anchovies and bananas.